excited today because I have someone over here that is going to help us with something that is super important to do when you're thinking of buying or selling your home, to make sure that the house that you're getting in is perfect, or the house that you're going to sell is perfect for selling. So here's with me, Mark Sandoval from Quality Care Home Inspections.
Thank you for inviting me, Laura.
You're welcome, you're welcome. I'm so happy to have him here. I've been working with him for a long time, and now he gets to explain us. Of course, I know what he does, and he does it good. But he is going to explain a little bit what does it involve in a home inspection.
So, a home inspection consists of the overall condition of the home on the day of the inspection. It is highly important that a home inspection gets conducted so you know the true condition of the home you are interested in purchasing it. A home inspection consists of the roof, structure, foundation, plumbing, electrical, heating and air conditioning, swimming pools, retrofitting as well. We do retrofitting, making sure that before you sell your home, all your smoke alarms are installed, all your carbon monoxide detectors are installed.
And work.
And work as well. Your earthquake gas shutoff valve, and there are certain things or requirements that you need prior to selling your home as well.
Which I want to let you know too, is not a requirement to do a home inspection, but we definitely recommend it, and you can waive it, and we also do not recommend it because if you waive that, you are taking a risk. So to us, you have to do your home inspection, and you have to do it with somebody professional that knows how to do it, and actually he does a very nice report, which it explains everything. Also, I love having you as a buyer, if you are getting your home inspected, having you right there. So he can explain also if there are certain problems you can see already. So that's a good one too, right?
Of course.
So, okay, so until next time, we will explain a few other things. Take care. If you like it, like, subscribe, and click on the bell so you know when the next video is coming. Take care.